This is one of the best banana bread recipes, and it's perfect for fall. You can use red or green apples and 3 to 4 old bananas, the kind that are pretty mushy. You're gonna love this recipe for a snack or a brunch dish. Make it in a loaf pan by adding parchment paper and a spray of olive oil. These bananas are so tiny that I'm going to use 4 of them, but you would normally use about 3 medium to large ones. Mash the bananas in a large mixing bowl, then add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then I add in 2 whisked eggs and a 1/3 cup melted butter that's salted and cooled. Gently mix together the wet ingredients and then get a new bowl for the dry ones. In goes 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup white sugar, a 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. Finally, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and mix that all together. Slowly add in a cup or 2 of flour at a time and mix it in. And once all the ingredients are combined, it's time to spice up the apples. Peel and dice apples and add a 1.5 cups or about 2 small apples into the bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon and stir to combine. I like to reserve some of those apples to top the banana bread before popping it in the oven. So I gently fold them into the banana bread batter and plop the batter into the greased loaf pan. Top the banana bread with those cinnamon apple chunks and pop it in the oven at 325 for about an hour to an hour 20 minutes. Do not take it out until the top is completely golden brown. Let it rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes in the pan. Even longer is better. If you love easy recipes like this one, make sure to subscribe to my Foodie Fridays email list. I'll send out new yummy recipes each week. I can't wait for you to try my apple cinnamon banana bread, and like always, you can print out the step-by-step recipes at sipbitego.com. Delicious.